Hi, my name is Naveen. In this video, I will show you how to download Ubuntu 20.04, the latest LTS version, and install it on VMware Workstation. The installation process will be same on VMware Workstation or VMware Player, but the only difference would be that we can't take snapshots on VMware Player. Player is completely free, but for VMware Workstation, we need to purchase a license. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Ubuntu on VMware Workstation and also take snapshots once the installation gets completed. So before starting the installation process, we should have VMware Workstation installed on our machine, and also we should download the latest LTS version. For this, just open your favorite browser and type google.com, and in the search box search for Ubuntu 20.04. I'll click on the first link, Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. It will directly navigate me to the releases page where I can find the desktop and the server image. As we are trying to download the desktop image and install it on VMware, I'll click on the first link. The file is almost 2.5 GB of size, so it will take some time depending upon your bandwidth. The download is completed now. I'll just open the folder. Click on the Windows icon and search for VMware Workstation. I'm trying to create a new virtual machine here, so I'll click on the button Create a new virtual machine. We have two options here to go for typical or custom, means advanced installation process. I'll click on the second option, custom installation, and then next. Here we can select the compatibility, like my virtual machine has to support the latest 15.x or 14 or even below 12. Click on next. As I am trying to install Ubuntu from an ISO file, I will select the second option and click on browse. I will navigate to the downloads folder and click the ISO version. Now click on next. In VMware Workstation or on Player, we have the option of creating user before itself instead of creating the user while the installation process is going on. I'll give my username as coder and I'll enter the passwords, then click on next. Now create a name for the virtual machine. I'll give Ubuntu 20.04. I'll click on browse and select the folder I have created for this virtual machine and then next. My machine has total of 12 CPUs, so I'll allocate 4 to this virtual machine and click on next. You can select the RAM size based on your machine configuration. I have around 16 GB in my machine, so I'll be giving 4 GB to this one. Click on next. I'll leave the network type as default and the SCSI type also default and click on next. Now I'll create a new virtual disk here, and based on the hard disk size you have, you can allocate the minimum disk size. And I would suggest to keep the option with the multiple files so that you can move this virtual machine to other laptops or desktops easily. Go next and then next. Now the virtual machine will start and the installation will begin. The initial step is like it's checking for the disk errors. The advantage of installing Ubuntu on VMware Workstation or Player is that we don't have to select the keyboard type or layout and the location preferences. Everything will be defaultly selected by the VMware software. This installation will take around 5 to 10 minutes based on your system configuration. The installation has completed and now the virtual machine is rebooting. If you are trying to install Ubuntu, the vanilla version, directly on VMware Workstation or Player, the VMware tools will automatically get installed in the same installation process. Here we can see VMware tools are getting installed. Now click on the username and enter your password. As the VMware tools are already installed, I can directly go and click for full screen. click on skip and click on the setup live patch option. If you want to opt for the live patch option, you can sign in with your Ubuntu account, or you can create a new one, or just click cancel and then click on next, and done. Now before you start exploring the latest LTS version, I would suggest you to go to terminal and update the repository and the packages. Click on show applications and then search for terminal. Type sudo apt update and click on enter. This command will update the repository. Give your password and click enter. We can see here there are 23 packages which can be upgraded. Type the command sudo apt upgrade to upgrade the 23 packages. Now the packages are upgraded. The next option is to take a snapshot and then later explore the operating system. For this, I'll just go to the VMware tab and click on snapshot. Here, take snapshot. I will give the name as initial install, and if you want, you can give a description about the current state of your VM and click on take snapshot. Now a snapshot point has been created. I will go and reboot my machine once. Machine has been rebooted. Now let's go and install a software. I will click on the Ubuntu software icon. Click on development, and here I'll try to install Sublime Text. It's one of my favorite text editor. Sublime Text has been properly installed. Now I will go to show applications and try to see if it is opening properly or not. I see no issues here. The editor has been installed successfully. I will now try to restore my virtual machine to its previous state, that is the initial installation state. For this, I will move my cursor to the top of the screen. Here I will click on the orange icon. You can see here it's throwing a warning message saying that the current state will be lost and you will be restored to the initial state. I will click yes on it. The VM is now trying to restore to its previous state. Restoration has been completed. I will again go to the show applications and see if I can find the Sublime Text icon. We can see here I don't find the icon. With this, we can clearly say that my machine has been restored to its previous state. Now you can start exploring the latest LTS. I have shown you how to download the ISO file, install it on VMware Workstation, update the repository and take snapshots and then restore them. If you find any issues while following the complete process, you can mention it in the comment section. I will try to answer them. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel, me Aliu. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next one.